Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make shaders in Adopt Me for a more pleasant gaming experience. To make the shaders, you need to go to the tab with the game where you want the shaders and wait for the game page to load. Once the game page loads, you need to hover your mouse over the blue button and right-click it. Next, you need to find the button labeled Inspect and click on it. As soon as you click Inspect, in the top right corner, you need to find the button labeled Network. To make everything work, you need to refresh the page. After that, you need to scroll up the page and find the name of your game. As soon as you find your game, right-click on it. Next, select the copy, and then copy all as PowerShell options. Now you need to go to the website listed in the description and scroll down the page. You need to paste what you copied into this field and click the button. All that's left is to wait for the shaders to install. Bye, and have a great game!